Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Sagittarius for week ahead. So watch this if you're a Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not deliberately try to fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. So let's see messages for Sagittarius for week ahead. Ooh, Two of Wands. Finally deciding something. I see that. I'll just tell. Hold on. Let me lay out some more cards. Yeah, Five of Swords. Two of Swords. Yeah, exactly. So I see that you were dealing with someone who plays a lot of mind games, and I see that this person was not making a decision about you. They were just trying to, keep you going in circles. I also see this person might have physically, mentally, emotionally tortured you, abused you. And I see things were pretty toxic, all right? So toxic would be the right word. I do not see it's like the normal boyfriend girlfriend talks. This person manipulates, okay? This bitch here manipulates. So I see this person was playing mind games. They were trying to keep you stuck with them. This person, and you Sagittarius, I would like to call you out as well, because you were also trying to be in the same place. It's like, one of those situations where the person is not changing, and we know that the person is not doing much about the situation, and they just are playing games, and then you're just hoping and sitting and waiting for this person to change their ways. So you were trying to sit down, wait for them, that one day this gentleman is going to change, and this person never changed. And now I see that you realize that you don't have any other way rather than to move on from the situation. So finally, you dumb head decided to get out of the situation. With the Nine of Wands, I see that you had really battled for this situation for a very long time. All right, it's like you were not ready to let go of this connection so easily. So Sagittarius, what kind of weed did you smoke? What were you smoking, Sagittarius? When you clearly see that somebody's playing games, why were you still there waiting for them? I don't know. Okay, what else? What else? Ace of Wands. Now you are seeing the situation for what it is. Now you're basically able to see this person's game. So this blindfold that you had on your eyes for a very long time is finally removed, and now you realize that you cannot stay stuck in the situation, and now you're looking for the new beginning, which is a good thing. Finally, you are trying to do that. I see that finally you will be unstucking yourself and taking a direction in life. You realize that you cannot stay stuck with this person for a very long time, because this person is not going to change. This person used to play mind games with you. Yeah, Four of Cups. This person was literally playing mind games with you. They were trying to show you something as love, which was not love, all right? So this person manipulated. You might also be feeling very used. Maybe you feel that this person used you, manipulated you. It's correct. It's correct. They did, all right? The connection was very on and off, very on and off. It was just not picking up the pace. Yeah. It's like one day this person would message you things like, you are the one they want for life, and then the next day they ghost you. Things are completely different to what they used to seem with this person when you were dealing with them. And now you're able to see through their bullshit, finally. So what is the action of Sagittarius towards this person? Nine of Cups. You still have feelings. You want to walk away from this, but you cannot. You're trying, yes. Something is coming to an end, but you're not able to let it end because you're not able to accept the fact that this is over. I see that. With the Ten of Swords and the Eight of Cups, your message is to move on. This is your message. Move on. This is not serving you. Move on. But what are you doing, Sagittarius, still? Trying to move on, but not moving on as much. You feel this person brings happiness into your life. You think this person is a source of happiness in your life. How does a jerk makes you happy, Sagittarius? Please tell me. Let me know in the comments. How is a jerk playing mind games making you happy? Like, what is your definition of happiness? Where did you buy that trash dictionary from, which is giving you definitions like a jerk playing games with you is happiness? What happened in the past between Sagittarius and this person? Ten of Wands, you were the only one who was carrying the burden of the connection on your shoulders. Some of you, it was because you were married to this person or you were hoping for marriage. So you thought that if I have to get married to somebody, let me just carry the whole burden of the connection and then I will get married to this person. Is that the case? For others of you, I see this person was really burdening you with so many things. You were having a lot on your plate, more than you can chew. You were trying to do this, you were trying to do your work, you were trying to manage your studies, your kids, your family, I don't know. Overburdened situation. And I also see that you were trying to control the situation. You were just trying to get hold of the situation. You did not want things to shatter down. You did not. So that is why, what did you do? You overburdened yourself. Future energy for Sagittarius. Queen of Swords. I see you going to be quiet for some time. Like, you are going to play that no contact game, that silence game for some time, because you feel that this person does not deserve your attention. You're finally convincing yourself that this person does not deserve my attention. Let me just keep quiet and not reach out to this person. You're trying to distance yourself from petty games and drama. Good thing. Good thing. What is coming towards Sagittarius next? You have been mourning a loss about something. Some of you might have lost somebody. For others of you, it's just a loss of this connection. Like this loss, this connection not working out, this connection, this person playing mind games with you, this things going on in circles with you has really taken a mental toll on you. Like really. You have been in this stuck energy for some time now, maybe 5 months, 8 weeks for some of you. You know, that's the worst thing. When you hope for be all end all with somebody and the person starts playing games, that's the worst thing. But I see that you're also manifesting new things in life. 9 of Pentacles. You're manifesting new opportunities, new beginnings. But Sagittarius, the problem is that somehow you're not able to detach yourself completely from this past situation. It's difficult for you. Like, it's very difficult for you to make up your mind and finally move. You're trying. I would like to give it to you that you're trying. Yes, very good. Applauds. But the problem is it is difficult. With the Hanged Man, it's very difficult for you to surrender and let go. And all of this is actually keeping this situation stuck. But I see that there will be balance in your life, and I see new partnership and happiness manifesting in your life once you surrender. Once you let go, whatever you're trying to hold, once you let go, this is going to happen. I see you will also be having options in love. Could be an Earth sign or a Leo coming towards you next. But all of this is asking you to take a leap of faith. Like, you very well know that you need to take a leap of faith, but you're stopping yourself. Because this person broke your heart. This person has deeply, deeply hurt you. 10 of Swords. It's like 10 swords pierced in you. You know, that kind of feeling. You were really confused with this person. You know, this person was hell confusing. Some days they were there, other days they were not. So you could not decide whether they want you or not. Like, you know, how some people confuse the fuck out of you, that kind of situation. This person kept on making you hopeful for a reconciliation or commitment, but they were not giving it to you. They kept on ghosting. You kept on pursuing, they kept on ghosting. Empty promises. 3 of Pentacles. I see a work situation improving. If you're looking for a job, I see you will find a job. I see your money drastically improving. We already had the 9 of Pentacles, which is like a mini version of Empress. So your money is about to improve. If you're also trying to conceive and you've had a miscarriage or an abortion lately or something went wrong, I see you will be conceiving very soon. And it's going to be a good delivery, you know. And maybe it could be a girl child as well. When it comes to love, I see you will be having options in love, but that will only happen when you explore your options. If you close down 2 options in love, that's not going to happen. But I can understand you're confused. This person has confused you. Some of you also saw through their games already. Like you knew that whoever you were dealing with was manipulative. So it was not a surprise for you entirely. You kind of knew that this person is manipulative. This person keeps playing games. You knew about it, isn't it? I see that the good thing going into the future, you're very, very focused on your own stability, your money. You will be making good money. Finally, you're trying to be more practical in life rather than all emotional and fucking everything. Good. Good. Very nice. Strength card. Wow. You're really relying on your strength, inner strength. I also see this situation actually made you very, very strong. Like you've become very strong. You have basically become a one-man army now. You're not even taking help from anybody. You're just trying to handle everything by yourself. You've become that strong. And you're just focusing on what lights up your soul, what creates passion in your life. You're going after that. You're very much taking care of yourself. Some of you might be getting a haircut, buying a new dress, getting into shape. I don't know. You just, like, you are your center of attention these days. Or you will very soon. Because you have realized that what's the point of giving in to somebody who will not even appreciate. Rather than that, let me just focus all the attention towards me, because at least it's going to pay me back. Okay, what else? Justice card. Some of you also feel that you need justice, you deserve justice, because you feel that this person cheated you. So you hope that someday you will also get justice. You're demanding justice from the universe. Six of Swords. Slowly and gradually you're moving towards stability, calm waters, good situation. Some of you might also be traveling. So if you're waiting to travel abroad, that can be a thing. But for others of you, I just see you will have stability back in your life. Whatever worried you will not worry you in the future. I see balance is going to come into your life. But for that, you've just got to accept the fact that the cycle has ended. Alright? Try to find your light within, the Star card. Literally. Like, you know, people think healing comes from outside. No, healing comes from within. So you just need to reflect more. Break free from this toxic cycle, this toxic pattern of going into cycles with this person, and try to go after things that light up your soul. Open yourself to new opportunities. And I see you're doing that already, but just do it more. Okay, what else? What else? What blessings are coming towards Sagittarius? Four of Pentacles and wow, see, again, you are not even realizing, but you're manifesting a relationship, a very stable two-way relationship. You know, Four of Pentacles can actually be stability and money. You know, so your money is improving, and I see a very stable connection. Four of Pentacles is actually a marriage card where, you know, you meet somebody who's very stable. And Two of Cups is definitely relationship. I see some of you will have more than one option in love very soon. 4 months, maybe? 4 months, yes. So you are manifesting a relationship, like you have been hoping from universe to give you a very stable two-sided connection, and you don't even realize because you're not able to see it, but what is coming towards you is a very stable connection. So universe heard you. Universe is sending you someone who's very stable partnership. Some of you, it's a water sign or an earth sign that's coming towards you. And I see you will have this new partnership, new balance. Some of you, if you're hoping to have a balance in your business, I see that is coming in. For others of you, it's a love relationship. You know, that's coming towards you very, very balanced. Eight of Pentacles. Your money, like what is about money? What are you doing for money these days? It's really, you know, giving you some really good returns in your future. And you're able to finally walk off from a toxic past, which is so freaking good, so freaking good. And your past person, they were just a pain. They were just manipulating you. 10 of Pentacles. What is about money, bitches? What are you doing? What are you doing about your money? Your money is about to improve. And I see very stable partnership coming towards you. Definitely marriage. Are you about to get married? I think you are. Many of you, yes. Just acknowledge your pain. Like, do not try to hide your pain. I see that you're hiding your pain. Something is bothering you. Acknowledge and move on. Alright? Bring love into the situation. See, universe is bringing in love into your situation. Don't worry. Don't worry. You are manifesting a relationship and commitment. It's coming in. hang in a little longer. Your commitment is being tested. Universe is testing you. Universe is testing you as to how far can you hang in. How far can you have trust? You and your loved ones are safe. If you wonder. Universe is keeping you safe, don't worry. Don't let pride get in your way. See, somebody was just, I see there was someone who was just very proud, and this person kind of ruined the connection with the proud nature, you know. Let it go. This person is not worth your time and effort. Let it go. Show the world the real you. Some of you, again, you know, something about your career and money. I see that you have a talent which you're very skeptical to put out. Your message is to show the world the real you. If you will do, your money is drastically going to improve. That's a message. Message for Sagittarius, please, in love. Passion. There will be someone who is going to have a lot of passion. Some of you, you know, just meet your friends. Your next relationship could actually come from your friend circle. Your friends might actually hook you up. And I see, again, allow your heart to sing with joy. You have been stressing things a lot lately, mourning a loss, having a lot of things going on. Just maybe sing songs, listen to songs, open your heart chakra, and that's how you are going to attract this love into your life. You don't have any idea, but you have a love coming towards you. Let me just give you a hint. It could be a water sign or an earth sign, very strong. A two-way partnership, you know, a stable partnership is coming in for you, which is good. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.